Man-made law isn't an eternal truth. Eternal truths are like good versus evil, the golden rule, the 10 commandments. Doesn't matter who you are, where you're born, how you were educated. Eternal truth is eternal truth. Thou shalt not kill. Doesn't mean people won't kill. Doesn't mean there's not evil. That doesn't mean man's perfect. Man's imperfect. Institutions are imperfect. We know all that. That's not the point. The point is we don't seek perfectibility, but we seek to be a moral people. The law is the law because the court says it's the law. Because the district court said so. In fact, it went further. It said that district court didn't have that power. This isn't following our rules. And we have a whole separation of powers issue. What are they saying? That this law has been bastardized in its application. And just because a judge rules the law is the law, it shouldn't be the law. If the law itself undermines the bigger law, the Constitution of the United States, which was, yes, written by men, but men who what? Who wrote that Constitution on divided powers, separation of powers, limited central government, defined 3 branches of government. They did that based on what? Their beliefs as set forth concisely in the Declaration of Independence. You see my point? The law is the law because I say it's the law. It's the law of the iron fist. It's the law of the police state. The law is the law because it's just. The law is the law because it's based on the Constitution. The law is the law because the Constitution is based on the belief system, the original intent of those who put it together, who were driven by 2 things: a belief in eternal truths. Man-made law isn't an eternal truth. Eternal truths are like good versus evil, the golden rule, the 10 commandments. Doesn't matter who you are, where you're born, how you were educated. Eternal truth is eternal truth. Thou shalt not kill. Doesn't mean people won't kill. Doesn't mean there's not evil. That doesn't mean man's perfect. Man's imperfect. Institutions are imperfect. We know all that. That's not the point. The point is we don't seek perfectibility, but we seek to be a moral people. The law is the law. Doesn't much get us there, does it? Doesn't explain anything to us, does it? The law is the law because I say so. And who are you? I'm a judge. Okay. Are you God? No. But in this courtroom I am, lowercase g, God. The framers understood that that's how you get tyrannies. That's how you get tyrannies. When man thinks there's nothing bigger than mankind. Read your declaration today. Just read the front part of it. Understand its connection to the Constitution. Read the 9th Amendment to the Constitution, which I've always argued is a shorthand incorporation of the Declaration of Independence, the protection of the individual. The 10th Amendment, same thing, all again intended to disperse power. Where the government has power, the central government, it's powerful and it's plenary, and that's great. But it's walled off to all the rest of the universe and the world, where people get to act on their own and act in ways unrelated to the law is the law. I hope I didn't confuse you, but I hope I pricked your interest. That's the problem with this decision. This is the law, without any further explanation on why a single federal judge should have power over the presidency, power over our tax dollars, and be able to order the expenditure of money when there is no authority whatsoever.
For all this and much more, sign up for Levin TV.